Arg, arg, me matey. Ah, barnacles, to the poop deck. Aye, me matey. Arg, time to walk the plank. Shiver me timbers. Arg, me matey. Me matey. Avast ye mateys. Aye, aye. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I don't think so, me matey. Batten down the hatches, boys. Do you need to be walking the plank? Care to join our crew? Care to join the crew? I'm afraid you don't have a choice. Don't make me have you go down to visit Davy Jones's locker. Dead men tell no tales. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Ready the cannons! Fire the cannons! How about some nice grog to calm the nerves? Ah, Hornswoggle! By golly, that's a beautiful ship. Look at that ship. Land a-ho! I see ships ahead. I see land ahead. Ah, go run a rig somewhere else. Ah, you scallywag! 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 Oh, what a sea dog! Shiver me timbers! Son of a biscuit eater! There she blows! 3 sheets to the wind! He is 3 sheets to the wind by now. Time to walk the plank. Yo ho ho! Yo ho ho, good fellas! Let's go find some treasure. There be loot ahead. Time to visit Davy Jones's locker. Don't want to visit Davy Jones's locker, do we? Don't question the captain, or ye be down in Davy Jones's locker by tonight. Tonight we have a clap of thunder. Time for song and dance. Can you swim? Well, that's good. Oh, that's too bad. Well, that's too bad. Ahoy! Abandon ship! Abandon ship! Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, people. Good evening, pirate folk. Farewell, you scallywags. Farewell.